Hello friends, welcome to BMH Learning. This video is about bromine water test for aniline. First of all, what is bromine water test? The bromine water test is a qualitative test used for the identification of various functional groups like alkene, alkane, phenol, and aniline functional groups present in a compound. Bromine water is nothing but an aqueous solution of bromine in water. In this video, we look at the reaction of the benzene ring in alanine with bromine water. So you would be able to know why the amino group of aniline activates the benzene ring. So, in case of phenylamine or aniline, there is the NH2 group attached to the benzene ring. This NH2 group makes the ring much more reactive than it would otherwise be. This is exactly similar to the effect of the hydroxyl group in case of phenol. Because of the high reactivity of the benzene ring, aniline reacts with bromine water even in the cold and in the absence of any catalyst. On the other hand, the unactivated ring only reacts with bromine when there is a catalyst and high temperature. Now what's that which is making the ring more reactive? So we know there is a lone pair on the nitrogen of NH2 group. This lone pair actually touches the delocalized ring electrons, and the lone pair becomes delocalized with the ring electrons. So due to this delocalized lone pair of NH2 group, the ring becomes highly activated towards electrophilic substitution. So this way, we are increasing the electron density around the ring by involving more extra electrons from the NH2 group. And the result is that the ring becomes more attractive to incoming electrophiles. This is exactly what happens in phenylamine. Now, reaction of aniline with bromine water. Let's take a test tube. As we know, aniline is insoluble in water, so we are gonna make an aqueous suspension of the same. Let's take approximately 1 ml of aniline into this test tube. This much volume would be sufficient for the reaction. Into this tube, we add around 2 ml of distilled water. To make the aqueous suspension of aniline, we need to shake the tube. Now, drop by drop, add bromine water. Be careful while handling this chemical because it can burn your skin. As soon as bromine water is added into the test tube containing aqueous suspension of aniline, you can see an immediate light pinkish colored precipitate formation. So the reaction doesn't even need a particular temperature and catalyst as it occurs in room temperature or even colder temperature thanks to the presence of NH2 group. This was all. Thanks for watching.